When it comes to a $500 million US buy alert, it's no joke. This is a seriously significant development, not seen often. To put it in perspective, that's the value of the Empire State Building in New York City. And imagine someone investing such a substantial amount in crypto. That move is indeed very serious and worth our attention. But what's the catch? Well, let's find out. Disclaimer. As the countdown to the Bitcoin halving ticks away, the atmosphere is electric, with excitement rippling through the cryptocurrency world like wildfire. For many, this event isn't just a blip on the radar. It's a huge shift that stirs up a whirlwind of emotions. There's an undeniable buzz of anticipation, a mix of thrill and apprehension coursing through the veins of investors and enthusiasts alike. It's like the grand unveiling of a rare treasure, where the supply of new bitcoins is suddenly slashed in half. This scarcity turns up the heat on existing bitcoins, usually sending their value skyrocketing into the stratosphere. It's a golden opportunity for investors to potentially strike it rich, a chance to ride the wave of an evolving market. But here's where things get really interesting. Altcoiners, the champions of alternative cryptocurrencies, such as Shiba Inu, aren't just bystanders in this spectacle. They're on the edge of their seats, watching with bated breath to see how this event will rock their own corner of the crypto universe. For them, the Bitcoin halving isn't just a ripple. It's a tidal wave that could reshape the entire landscape of cryptocurrency. As the clock ticks down and the excitement reaches fever pitch, one thing's for sure. The Bitcoin halving isn't just a moment in time. It's a moment of reckoning, a turning point that could redefine the very fabric of the cryptocurrency world as we know it. But here's something very interesting. Despite all the excitement buzzing around, there's a head-scratcher that's got folks puzzled. Why are crypto prices dropping every single day? Where's all that excitement reflected in the green candles on the chart? Well, that's $1 million question, isn't it? And let me tell you, it's leaving people feeling a little bewildered, to say the least. It's like waiting for a fireworks display and only seeing a few sparklers fizzling out. But fear not, because one Twitter user stepped up to the plate with a solid explanation. They broke it down into a three-phase situation that's shedding some much-needed light on the matter. The first phase, as our Twitter sage puts it, is the final pre-halving retrace. Essentially, they're saying that Bitcoin has been doing this movement before the halving event. Picture it like this. Imagine Bitcoin taking 2 steps back, minus 18% retraces, before it takes one giant leap forward. It's happened twice now, once in mid-March and again in mid-April. But here's the kicker. This downward trend right before the halving, it's nothing new. In fact, it's happened before, like in 2016, when Bitcoin took a deeper minus 38% dive before the halving, and in 2020 when it dipped about minus 19%. But here's the silver lining. This drop is seen as the last chance to snag Bitcoin at a bargain price before the halving kicks in. So while it might seem like a downer, it's actually setting the stage for what could be a major upward swing. And with the halving just around the corner, the timing couldn't be more crucial. But now you might ask, why am I talking about Bitcoin? Well, glad you asked. The reason is that just today, Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu official development team, dropped a bombshell of a tweet. According to Lucy, Shiba Inu is gearing up for a super cycle right after Bitcoin completes its latest reaccumulation cycle in 2023. Bitcoin is like the bedrock of the cryptocurrency world, with its value and movements influencing the entire market. Think of it like the tide that lifts all boats. And now, to add even more weight to its significance, even the official Shiba Inu team is highlighting the importance of Bitcoin, especially with the upcoming halving event. With Lucy's recent tweet, she also shared her Bitcoin analysis chart on Twitter, mapping out market movements from 2014 up to a speculative 2025. In her analysis, she highlighted 3 key phases in the Bitcoin market: the bottom, the reaccumulation phase, and the bull market. To break it down, the market bottom is when a downtrend stops, finds support at a certain price, and then starts moving upwards. According to Lucy's chart, the latest Bitcoin market bottom happened in November 2022, when Bitcoin hit $15,000. However, Shiba Inu didn't bottom out until June 2023. After the bottom comes the reaccumulation phase, where the market stabilizes as investors begin re-entering. For Bitcoin, this phase started in March 2023 and wrapped up later that year. Bitcoin traded within a range of $24,000 to $31,000 during this period. Shiba Inu also saw a price uptick after hitting bottom in June 2023, but its reaccumulation phase didn't see significant price growth. Now that the reaccumulation phase is over and the market is heading into a bull run, Bitcoin's price has surged, surpassing its previous all-time high from 2021. In late February, Shiba Inu price also started to climb, reaching highs, marking a 450% increase and putting it over halfway to its all-time high. And here's something you should understand. Shiba Inu, hitting halfway to its all-time high, is a significant achievement. You see, there were plenty of skeptics out there who believed Shiba Inu was a sinking ship, destined for obscurity because it wasn't showing any signs of growth for a prolonged time. They thought its moment had come and gone, and that investing in it was like throwing money into a black hole. But oh, how the tables have turned. Now those very same doubters are eating their words as Shiba Inu defies expectations and starts climbing back up. It's like watching a phoenix rise from the ashes. These naysayers are scratching their heads in disbelief, realizing they might have misjudged Shiba Inu's potential. Some of them might even be reconsidering their stance, realizing that maybe, just maybe, there's more to Shiba Inu than meets the eye. This newfound optimism could probably be why Shiba Inu is seeing significant upticks in open interest on top exchanges today, especially after its impressive 9.75% rally in the last 24 hours. It's like a ripple effect of renewed confidence spreading through the market, as investors and traders alike take notice of Shiba Inu's resilience and potential for growth. Earlier today, Shiba Inu showed signs of bouncing back from its recent dip, marking a solid 9.75% gain from yesterday's low. This increase reflects a growing interest from investors in the asset, especially after it tested the 4018 range on Saturday. Insights from CoinLies reveal a notable surge in open interest for Shiba Inu on major exchanges. Huobi saw its Shiba Inu open interest soar to $15.7 million, while OKX recorded $14.6 million. And surprisingly, other exchanges like Kraken, BitMEX, and Bitfinex saw open interest below $1 million. Open interest measures the total number of outstanding Shiba Inu contracts yet to be settled, indicating market activity and investor interest in Shiba Inu futures contracts. This surge in open interest suggests that more risk-tolerant traders are expecting significant movement for Shiba Inu soon. However, the long-short ratio, currently at 0.94, indicates that more traders are betting on a Shiba Inu price drop. These people probably acknowledge the pre-halving retrace we were talking about before. But here's what's interesting. According to that Twitter user's perspective, we're currently in Phase 2, what's called the reaccumulation range. This phase lays down the groundwork for what's to come. It typically kicks off a few weeks before the halving and wraps up with a breakout several weeks after the event. The main aim now is for Bitcoin to establish a solid range low within this reaccumulation range. This involves sideways movement, leading up to the halving and continuing afterward. This phase can last anywhere from a few weeks to as long as 150 days, which is roughly 5 months. During this time, many investors might start to feel restless or disappointed, especially if they're not seeing major gains right away. But it's important to stay patient and keep the bigger picture in mind. These phases are crucial for setting the stage for what's to come in the Bitcoin market and the entire crypto space, including Shiba Inu. But wait, what's the third phase? The last one? Well, this is pretty interesting. According to insights from a Twitter user, this phase is all about the parabolic uptrend. It's when Bitcoin breaks out from the reaccumulation area and starts experiencing rapid growth. Picture it like a rocket blasting off into space, with prices skyrocketing in a steep upward curve. Traditionally, this phase has lasted a little over a year, around 385 days. But with the potential for an accelerated cycle in this market cycle, that time frame might be shorter this time around. It's like hitting the fast-forward button on Bitcoin's journey to the moon. That's probably why, while everyone else was busy panic selling their Bitcoin yesterday, an unknown whale swooped in and bought a whopping $496 million worth of Bitcoin from Coinbase. It's a bold move that speaks volumes about their confidence in Bitcoin's future trajectory. Based on these factors, the future of crypto looks very promising. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.